Hi, we're 1Zetor. For more than 70 years, we have been designing, developing and loving tractors. From the very beginning, 1Zetor has been connected with the city of Brno, the second biggest city in the Czech Republic. The first 1Zetor tractor rolled off the Brno's Brojovka production line on the 15th of March 1946. In 1968, 1Zetor came out with the Unified Series 2, which had many breakthrough features, like the first safety cabin in the world. And in 1975, the first 6-cylinder 1Zetor Crystal pulled out of the factory gates. In 1991, a new generation of modern tractors, designated as the Unified Series 3, was launched. 2002 was an important year for 1Zetor, when HTC Holding AS joined the company and the 1Zetor brand was saved and stabilized. The following period brought new models and products: Proxima, Forterra HSX with a hydraulic reverser, Major, Forterra HD. In 2015, the new 6-cylinder 163 HP 1Zetor Crystal came out. The hard worker is the most powerful product in the range. The big result for 1Zetor during its history has been its great many satisfied customers all over the world. At 1Zetor, of course, we are more interested in the future, but not so distant. We are planning to increase our current portfolio by 2 new series to 6 series with power from 50 to 200 HP. We are working hard to develop our business network, and we're looking for new dealers to help us extend our network. We are investing in the development of new products, engines, transmissions, and so on. And we intend to continue this trend in the years to come. As we increase the number of our model series, we invest into modernizing production lines to prepare for increased demand in production. The future of the brand is epitomized by the 1Zetor by Pininfarina, an attractive, modern, elegant and sexy design concept that will soon be introduced across all our tractor ranges. What do we offer our customers? Performance. Power usage is maximized thanks to a combination of engine power and the weight of the tractor. Endurance. The focus is on simple, smart and efficient implementation. Total cost of ownership. Due to its very low fuel consumption and price availability of spare parts, it is hard to better 1Zetor in operating costs. 1Zetor is not just tractors. We offer our customers the 1Zetor system, a range of front loaders for all the model series and 1Zetor products. 1Zetor is a stable brand with a clear future, which ensures development and expansion products, active building of the dealer network, satisfied customers and employees. Because we are all 1Zetor.